You can be a supportive person, very loyal, mind your business, out the way, and do everything right. People still find a reason to be weird as hell towards you. And for a long time, I used to take stuff like that personal. Did I do something wrong? Did I say something wrong? Whole time, I didn't do nothing. Sometimes people can feel your growth and who you are before you even announce it. They feel your discipline. They feel your confidence, your direction. And if they're not secure within themselves, it's going to bother the hell out of them. And the crazy part is, a lot of people aren't even consciously trying to be weird. They just haven't reflected. They haven't healed. They haven't asked themselves, why do certain people trigger them? That's why self-awareness is rare. So I realized I'm not shrinking myself anymore. I'm not shrinking myself to make people comfortable. If my presence irritates you, that's not my responsibility. That's your reflection. Remember, some people don't hate you, baby. They hate that you discipline. Save this post because you might need it later.